All right, for this next inquiry exercise, I invite you both to find a relaxed position for a few moments. You can be separate, preferably in your own space. And I would like you to just fully relax. And all of us, I would say, have places within that need some extra attention sometimes. We all have pains, aches, we hurt. So take a few moments now to check in with your experience. Check in and see if you have any spot right now in your body, your physical body, where you feel like the energy is sort of stuck. Perhaps you have some physical pain at that spot, or it's more of an abstract feeling, some place of you that is just screaming for your attention. So examine with an open heart which part of you that might be right now. And when we hurt, we don't really need advice. We need someone to be there for us, attentive, caring, listening, right? So when you feel ready, you can face your partner. And the one with the longest hair can begin to share what spot, what part of you that needs some extra attention right now. So just take a few moments to share that. And your partner, your short-haired partner, will simply be there for you for a few minutes. So the one with the longest hair, you can sit up or lie down, whatever you prefer. And your partner will just gently by your side place a hand on that spot. Not doing anything, not massaging, not manipulating that area whatsoever. Just gently placing a hand right on that spot. And the one receiving right now, you can begin to try and breathe into that spot. So just actively try and transfer energy, try and transfer your focus towards that very body part. Your partner trying to sync with your breath. And the one receiving, you can ask yourself, what am I able to stop doing in order for that spot to be sort of released from the pain? How can I let go? Your partner just simply offering the presence, the gentle touch. You can just begin to feel how that spot is beginning to soften. You might experience some warmth in that region. In your own time, you can just gently let go. Come to your own space. Just reflect inwards for a moment how that felt. You don't have to share just yet with your partner. We're gonna switch places first. So in your own pace, in your own time, you can now switch places. It's time for your partner to share what spots, what part needs some extra attention right now. So you can lie down once again or sit up, whatever you prefer. And your partner, the long-haired one, by your side, offering attention, physical touch without manipulating, without massaging. The one receiving, see if you can start to breathe in towards that place. Direct your breath towards that spot. Your partner synchronizing the breath with you. the one receiving, you can ask yourself, can I allow myself to let go of whatever I'm holding on to in that region? Can you notice the warmth that is flowing in that region? The healing energy that is flowing. Just pay attention to whatever is going on, whatever you're experiencing. When it's time for you, you can just gently let go of your partner and come to your own space. Take a moment to reflect inwards how that was. Perhaps you want to write something down in your notebook before we share in the next video.